we'll try all the new things here at MGM Grand. From $300 million room renovations to dining and entertainment. Are they worth it? Let's go check in, and off we go. MGM Grand opened in 1993 at a cost of $1 billion. Finally, at 2022, the studio tower has been renovated. And today at 2025, the main tower is being renovated as well. 5 p.m. Not bad for 5 p.m. Are you camera shy?
Not really.
Checking in, please.
A tower, 1-bedroom suite. They're gonna be pretty big. You're just staying here by yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll be an extra $80.
What's your favorite restaurant here?
Lucchini's is one that I hear about a lot. That's like Italian.
Okay.
Craft Steak is a steakhouse that people talk about all the time. Morimoto, that's like sushi. The balance, it'll be $56.69 for the resort fee.
Layla,
Yes.
5 stars. We're gonna rate every experience that we're gonna have. Ooh, she gave us 21st floor. Yes, it's gonna be nice. Check this out. There's a convenience store strategically located right before the lift. Once you get to the center, you better read signs. What's your floor and what tower are you in? Looks nice. 21, please.
Oh, you have to have your key.
Holy mac!
Weird food.
And you guys just arrived. It's September, it's Halloween. Oh, that's me. Have a good one.
Who's that?
Is it just me or this is giving Star Wars, Star Trek vibes? It has a masculine scent, but it's not bad. I kind of like it. Do I dig it? I don't know. I think they're trying to be win with this color. Like brown, goldish. Actually, I'm really hungry. Can we go eat first? We're trying everything new, and that new one's gonna be Netflix Bites. What is it? Okay. Wow, it looks fun.
You want to sit at the bar top or you want to wait?
Oh, you know what? That's healthy for my knee. Thank you. What do we have here? The bar is open and Daddy's thirsty. That's hilarious. And this is the bar right here. Cool. You mind if I sit here? You have someone? Thank you. Yes. What is it? Steak frites? Oh. Let's go check out their menu. What did you get?
Nachos.
Was it good?
It was good, and it's enough for 2 people, trust me.
Should I have nachos nevermore, stranger wings, or soul taco?
Soul taco?
Yeah.
Or the bulgogi tacos
Yeah.
down there?
Yeah.
The bulgogi tacos are my favorite tacos on the menu, but you can't go wrong with wings. I would pick those out of those 2. So
Let's go around and look at the place while waiting for our food. Cool! There's a little museum here. In this corner, we got pictures of food. Yes. Turn your meal to an 11. Oh my god. Sorry, can I ask what you guys are doing? Nailed it?
Nailed it challenge.
And then you make it your own?
We're trying to copy this.
Oh, it's a challenge! It's so cool! I love it.
This is the mind flayer from Stranger Things.
Oh, it's on cloud.
This has chicken, potato wedges, and mac and cheese.
Oh, you got the wings. How's the wings?
The wings good.
I was debating on that.
You can try it.
Oh, and then
We got a lot of green.
they got a lot of green.
So this chicken,
is spicy.
this chicken comes in, and then if it lands on that color, you gotta dip the chicken into the sauce.
So, like mild, medium, and like, and then spicy.
Yeah, spicy is that one.
Oh my god. Is
This
it
is sweet,
how
medium.
spicy is spicy?
Wow.
It is
To her, if she says it's spicy, it's really spicy. Because she loves spicy.
Thank you so much for sharing. Pretty friendly here. One sitter on the table really wants the experience, and then while me on the bar, well, I kind of want the experience too, but you know, we got a lot of things to do. It's quick. I haven't eaten all day, so it's gonna be good. Little doggy right here. Ooh, it's kind of hot. Sweet and salty. I got my napkin. I love this Mexican Korean fusion. What happened? I don't know what they did. Buttery rice. Tastes like basmati. I should tell you, this is such a great combination. You know what might be cool if they add like a fried egg on top of the rice with the bulgogi? That would have been great. Here, a total of 27. Bite anytime. What is this? A cup? It is a cup. What? We have tried their food court before. If you want to see that, that's in the other video. I didn't know they have a buffet. This is only in the daytime. $32.99. Friday, $38.99.
How much did you buy yours for?
$930. What's that?
Those backflips.
No way. What the heck?
Nah, just kidding. Yeah, you just
Oh my god, so so it does that.
Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, and then they're loud. They play the music, you know. That's what these are good to just have in the house.
It's good vibes. I
Yeah.
see. You're so cute. Oh! Congratulations! This looks like a new flavor of lace. I didn't know this. This is $17 because you said I'm eating steak. Here's another experience we should try here at MGM Grand. Yeah, I want to buy a ticket. Oh,
And we can let you in now, so whatever time it says, we'll let you in.
wow. It's a whole thing. So $39.
We just restrict certain cameras.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I'll use this.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. This is it. You sure you want to do this?
Okay.
We dare.
I do want to buy this one. It's comfortable, right?
Very comfortable.
This thing is so comfortable. I did feel weird coming here by myself at the friend set, but I grew up as an only child and I'm okay. Here's another one that I didn't know. It's the underground of MGM. I never knew it existed, so this is something new for me. This is our room. Let's go enter. No ads on the key. Hello! Yup, it's classier than the last one. Let's check the loo later, but first, let's see the closet. We got things set up, even using their laundry bag. Oh, what's in here? Nothing. This side is the fit check. Let's go win the casino. You already know what's coming. Bed test! It's a king-size bed. I like the bed, it's really good. We've got king-size pillows. They have a phone, an earplug. Will it be noisy tonight? The new one is that they have a USB-C. Across the bed is a big TV that you can maneuver around. You already know it's censored, and they just have Pringles, water, and a tech kit. Our most awaited one is this refrigerator. Nope, they're just the cabinets. Or maybe it's in here. Okay. Oh, yep, there's it. Found it. Ooh, wow, there are two. One. Ow, ow. This is very generous. Ooh, be careful, that hurts. Because you have a table right here. If you want coffee. That's cool, right? I think I can put my shoes here. Follow the girl of the disco ball. The rooms are now modern compared to the last studio tower that we stayed in. This is cool because it's a blackout room. And yeah, it's manual though. But I'm not complaining because it's a full window. I've been to some that would just have like this side, but this one is a wall. They're here. MGM Grand over there. You see Planet Hollywood over there and the Hilton Grand Vacations. And there's the Sphere over there and the Fontainebleau. You also have the view of the mountains, which is so pretty. This is our view at night. I really love it when I see the Sphere. Here's our look at that disco ball inspired artwork. Finishing is modern with a highly lit mirror. Marble finishing, I'm not a fan of this dispenser soap. Loving this times 3 mirror, I could see well. Separate open lavatory and an enclosed shower. Let's go test the pressure. Oh, yep, It's pretty strong. Wasn't a fan of this one either. It has a masculine scent and the soap is almost gone. Nothing fancy, but it's clean, nice, modern. I kind of like it. I enjoyed this one. I'll give it 4 stars. Is that a pool? Wow, that's far. Thank you. Good morning. How's the crowd?
It's pretty slow.
When does it pick up?
Like, once the laser river opens, it picks up.
With my knee condition, I thought it's gonna be far because I'm walking slow, but it's actually less than 10-minute walk. Are you guys waiting for the lazy river?
Yeah.
MGM Grand complex is not new, but it is continuously being renovated. And of course, you don't want to miss the MGM Grand pool. They have 4 swimming pools, 3 whirlpools, and the most famous lazy river. It's so weird being in 82 degrees in Vegas. You'd think that's a perfect temperature, but after being here at 100-degree Fahrenheit, you're like, where's the heat? Ooh, this thing is hot.
I don't know if I want to get my shirt wet. Sorry.
No worries. You want me to put the shirt there?
I'm gonna throw it over there. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going there anyways.
Oh, okay.
If you want tips about the MGM Lazy River, I highly suggest you watch my first video of MGM. For now, here's my tip. You certainly want to enjoy a lot of your time here, so put your time here because the Lazy River is so much fun. It's a cabana over here. I think this is a really good setup and they give you free floating. Technically, it's not free. This is a Palm Tree Beach Club. Palm Tree Beach Club. Your knee is hurting too?
Watch your channel.
Oh, thank you so much. These things are reserved. Let's go give it a minute try. But is it worth it? Actually remember this to be free, but now it's reserved. I don't know, I could be wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. I like my view right now. I don't know if I'll sit here for hours though. Depends on the price. This pool by the end is quite peaceful. It's actually perfect. It's 85 degrees. It's not that hot. It's not that cold. It's gloomy. I think it's kind of, it can be humid because this is desert. But I am sweating a bit, I should say. Where's everybody? Okay, it's a Wednesday, but I came here on a weekday before, I think last year, and it was packed. This is the part where we bet $100 to see if we will win some delicious dinner or should we drink our sorrows away. I had luck with Confucius say the last time. Casper, will you be a friendly ghost or will you just take our money away? Ooh, Wizard of Oz is showing right now at the Sphere. We did craps before, we got lucky too. Just out of curiosity, where's the rest of the games? The heck is going on? That looks so fun. Wow, okay. Hi. Oh, wow. Buffalo. Should we try something classic? Wow, the smoke is strong in this casino. I saw $15 minimum from the blackjack table. Ooh, David Copperfield crowd coming out. It looks like there's a cool roulette over here. $1 credit. We have $100 in. For something small, 1. All red, that's 1. 1 to 18. We're gonna do even. 3 to 12. Second and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5. We lost $3. We won $2. Red, even. 1 to 18. 2, 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we bet $10. $10 bet.
Winner 32 red. Winner 30 red.
Okay, we're winning.
Winner 30 red.
Woo, we won again. Come on.
Winner 36
Woo,
red.
we won again.
Winner 10 black.
Okay.
Winner 3 red.
Okay, $4.
Winner 4 black.
Okay, $4.
Double zero.
Wow.
Winner 12 red.
Woo, that was good. Let's do 5. 5 here, even. And then third. 1, 2, 3, 4. $20 bet. Let's go. Ah!
19 red.
That's not good. We lost. Ah!
Winner 3 red.
Okay, $25 win. Oh my God, I don't have money anymore. If we're betting $20, then we should win more than $20, right? But we're only winning $15, so we lose $5. Ooh, we actually won. Last one. Come on. Come on, don't give me a 0.
Winner 12 red.
$35. Oh my god, this machine doesn't want me gone.
Winner 28 black.
Okay, that's a win. We keep winning.
Winner 5 red.
No, no zero, no zero, no zero, no zero, no zero.
Winner 32 red.
Okay, I'm gonna call it. This game is addicting. It doesn't want me to leave, but you know, I'm gonna call it a loss because we gotta be responsible in our gambling. Because I need a drink anyways. Let's go drink. It changes color?
Yeah. This has acid in it, and then when they pour that in, they add the acid, and it changes color.
This one, you keep the cup.
You keep the cup, dalgona.
Oh, the Dalgona one. Oh, that looks good
You
too.
get the candy, and then you have to pick it. Break it, you die.
Oh, that's dangerous.